Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to install Claude Code right inside VS Code. It takes less than 2 minutes. Let's go. We're already in VS Code. Head over to the Extensions panel on the left sidebar. That's this icon here. In the search bar, type Claude Code. Click on it and hit Install. Give it a few seconds to finish. Once it's installed, you'll see a new Claude icon appear in the sidebar. Click it to open the chat. Now it's going to ask you to log in. Select the first option, Sign in with Claude.ai. Quick note here, you do need an active Claude subscription to use this. If you don't have one yet, the link in the description will take you there. Claude will generate a link, copy it, paste it into your browser, and hit Authorize. Once you confirm, you'll get another link back from the browser. Copy that one. Go back to VS Code, paste it in the box, and click Verify. That's it. You're connected. Let's do a quick test. I'll just type Hi Claude, and there it is. Claude responds right inside VS Code. You're all set. That's it for today. If this helped you, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe. More tutorials coming every week. See you in the next one.